Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made $900 during the Nasdaq. What a beautiful day. Longs were absolute perfect today. I'm happy with this trade, to be honest. Even though I did not wait for the 1 minute, I started to be more discretionary and I'm very happy. I see progress in my trading, and yeah, I would say let's get right into the video. Let's start with the higher time frame, and to be honest, I was actually very bearish initially because ES rejected the all-time highs and started moving lower, and so of course also NQ did it. We can see that here is a 4-hour gap. I marked it out for a possible retrace and then continuation of a short, but I must say initially when I saw this price action I was thinking to get a 930 PDI model because we were inside this huge for value gap and I was expecting the 50% tap and then the continuation. Also, if we come on the 2-hour, we can see if it loads exactly that there's nothing too crazy to look at the 2 hours, especially expect this 2-hour gap. Maybe I wanted price to see go lower and then retrace to a certain level, but if we come on the hourly, there's nothing I want you guys to show to you. We can see that there's a lot of low resistance liquidity already on the hourly chart, and if we come on the 5-minute, we can see it was quite choppy during the night. On the 15-minute, there was this gap exactly that was for me not a reason for price to move higher. And if we come again on the 5-minute, there's nothing crazy I want to show you guys, so let's get right into the market opened. Market opened quite strangely, and after the first minute, yeah, maybe if I don't take out everything, we come back here, we can see that the gap respected, that price started moving lower after hitting this 5-minute gap here. So I was actually bearish and I was thinking just to take some sort of continuation later in the day, but then I saw this incredible retrace. It was really strong, and as soon as I saw this, I already knew I didn't have to wait for the 1-minute gap, for the 2-minute gap to close, because if we look here, we can see that there was a 2-minute gap, but since price was so very bullish and inside this 4-hour gap, I was ready to target around the 1-to-1. Unluckily, I entered a bit later, not because I wanted to, because I was quite slow, and put the take profit around the 1.1. I entered and price started going right to my take profit. I went break even here on this gap, and then for a second I was thinking to get break even, or I will get break even, but luckily the trade was on my side and it hit take profit soon later. As I said in the beginning, I made around $850, yeah. Now I'm at $51,750. Let's see tomorrow how it goes. If everything goes to plan, next week I already passed my funded, and it would be incredible because I would not be on the eval for not even like 2 weeks. So very good. I must say, in the last 3 weeks or 2 weeks since I got my evaluation back, I'm feeling very confident. I'm taking good setups. Of course, these markets are easier, but still W for me. And yeah, if you guys have any question or any trade you want me to review or look at, or have maybe anything to tell me you want to talk about, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will answer as soon as possible, and as always, God bless and see you. Bye.